Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another character from Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, and this time it's gonna be the Noir Spider-Man. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start out with his hat first. So we're gonna draw one line across. So this is gonna be the top section of the hat, and then from there we're just gonna go straight up. Just give it a little bit of slant inward. And just close it off, and we'll add in one section right here, just one line across. And then for the details on the top, you can draw in like a little triangle like this first, and then just add a little bit of line in the middle just to show a little bit of crease. I'm gonna come over here, come out, and then we're gonna go all the way around to finish up his hat. Okay, so nice and simple. So now for the face, we're gonna continue with this line here. You kind of just come down a little bit first. And then once we're down here, we're gonna start drawing the jawline and just come pinch it all the way down to the chin. And then for the chin, just kind of flatten it out. Alright, so it could be a little bit of a tricky shape. And now we can draw in the eye. So right in the middle here, just drawing like two little brackets going out this way. And then we're going to curve this out. So same thing on the other side. Okay, and then from here we're going to draw in the outline. So we'll come, this one should be easy. We're just going to come in and draw another line. Alright, and then we'll add in the webbings later. So now let's come down and finish. He's got really big collars right here, which is kind of cool. So we're going to start with his neck. Just come down first. And then just round it off. And then for his collar here, we're going to just come back up a little bit. Just come straight down. Both sides. And then let's go back up here. Right on the eye area, just come out. And then we're gonna pinch it back in toward the neck. And then we'll go out one more. And then connect back to this. Let's give it a slight curve. Okay, so it's a really cool looking color. And then we're gonna come down and finish up the belt section here on the inside. So we're gonna keep going down just slightly, and then close it off. And then we'll add one line here for his belt. And then for his belt buckle, I'm just gonna add two lines. So we're drawing the inside first before drawing the outside. Okay, and then here we're gonna finish up his shirt underneath. So just come across, draw a line like this. And this one's gonna go all the way down. And we'll add in 3 buttons. Okay, and then whatever space in here, just draw a little line for his shoulder. Okay, so it's a little bit of a strange way of drawing, but it's because of his coat, it's a little bit more complicated. So from here, we're gonna draw in his armpit right here first. You can just draw a little line right around here. And then come down slightly for his coat. And then we'll just stop there, and now we gotta draw in his arms first. So now for his shoulder, come back up here. Come out. And then just come down, all the way down to his elbow here. And right here, from the armpit, just come down again. Then now for his lower arm. Just come down. Flare that out a little bit of slant, and we'll add in one little line. And then for his fist here, it's kind of like tucked into his jacket here, so it's a little bit smaller. So close that off, and then one line. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Shoulder coming out, and then this one's gonna go down. Go back to the armpit here. Come down, use the other side for reference. And then close it with a slight slant. Same detail here. And for his fist, you draw two lines like this first and just close it with a slant. And then one little line for the thumb. Alright, so now we're going to draw in, I know it's a little bit strange right here. Now we're going to draw in his coat. So his coat's going to be flowing out. So from this line here, just kind of curve it into the arm for now. Okay, and then on this side here, we're going to continue this. Just curve it out. Okay, and then on this side, we're going to extend it. Just come down around here. And then on this one, we're going to continue, just kind of close that off. So this one's going behind the leg. Alright, so that's the tricky part. So now let's draw in his legs. So come down the middle, one line across, and let's just add a little bit of folding. Now come back out here. It's a little bit skinnier, so just a slight curve, and then come back to the middle, come down, and just kind of pinch it in slightly. And I'm going to add a little bit of a folding here, so I'm just going to give a little bit of bracket and then close it off. Okay, so same thing on the other side. So his leg's going to be right around here. Come out. Just come in. Right here. Same thing. So just use the other side for reference so you know how long it is. I'm going to add the same kind of little bit of bracking. Close that off. Okay, so now we can finish up with the leg. So this leg is really easy. It's a little bit skinny too. It's got a really cool style in the movie. So flare out a little bit and then just pinch it back in. Close it. And then just a simple dome shape. Come down and then come out more on this side. Close it off. Okay, same thing on the other side. Flare out a little bit. And then we're going to pinch it back in. Close it. Dome shape coming down. Come out more on this side. Close it. Alright, so now we just have to finish up his coat. So for his coat here, we're going to continue with this. We're just going to continue with this line here. This curve. And you don't have to do it exactly like this. As long as we have some kind of flow to it, it'll be fine. And then so come out, and then we're gonna come back down. And then we're gonna go in. It's almost like a Batman cape actually. Alright. So just curve like this. And then just curve it again. It's gonna go behind the legs. And then on this side here, we're gonna continue this as if it's curving behind. And then we're going to continue with this. So just add another line like this. And that is it for this Noir Spider-Man from Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please check out my other videos. Subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you next time.